Reza. I came to Dr. G2's clinic, acting in fits. My first day in Delhi, I had a lot of back pain, shoulder pain, stiffness in my neck, you name it, even my other issues as well. And as you can tell, I'm very relaxed. I had a very good session where they treated me with different kind of therapies, so a variety of therapies with cupping, stimulation, dry needle, and manual. It's called manual manipulation, where they actually crack some places. So it was a very diverse treatment. I'm very satisfied and hope to come back to be able to relax. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.